attempting to put posts in here for the gate. The gate's going to come, it's 12 feet, give or take. I think it's 11.6, but 12 when you incorporate the two posts here. So it'll be about right here. And then I'll take this log here and a couple of posts, and I'll go that way to that tree over there to close all this off. A lot of bugs, a lot of flies. And every time you dig a little bit, you hit a big rock. But that's what I expected. I went over and I left all of those vertical trees, those dead standing, for purposes and jobs just like this. So I'll go over there and I'll cut one down and then cut the post and bring it over. And then try to get something mounted, because then that will dictate where this other post goes. Try not to dig a lot of extra space. I'm trying to dig just enough for the post to set in there. I just want to open it up just enough to where basically it sets in, and I don't have a whole lot of extra give, because there's going to be some weight that will pull the gate that way. They say you should put it in concrete. I'm not going to do that, because over here at the point where we bring a hard structure in, I will probably have to remove that post in order to make it wide enough for the trailer to come in and get up the hill there. So even if that wasn't the case, still not going to set these in concrete. All right, let's see if this thing's going to fit in this hole. And then I'll trim it off. I'll trim these off as need be. Boy, it's tight. Oh, okay. Almost. That worked out real well. Alright. Now I want to trim all these off, get my bracket, mounting brackets on there, hang that, and then extend it out to figure out where my other post needs to be. So we've got it hung that far. Now I need to figure out where the post needs to go here, and then that other bracket goes here with the lock, and then we'll start working on this fence over here. That's nice. I like that. I'm just gonna stop vehicles from going in. Obviously, if somebody wants to walk up here, they're gonna walk up here. Now fortunately, we've never had that issue yet. And I've got to put a no trespassing sign. I got one of those on the gate there. So, all right, we're getting there. Let's see if this one fits as snug as the other one did. First of all, let's see if we're even close. Aha. All right. Right. It is complete, the gate portion anyway. This fence here is the next step. Pull up, opens to the inside of the woods, drive in, close it. I got to get the no trespassing sign up there, but that turned out really well. My biggest concern was how many rocks and roots was I going to hit. Didn't hit many, and was able to work through what I did hit. The gate is a little, it wasn't going to be level because we're going downhill from right to left. But yeah, that'll slow down, stop vehicles if anything wanted to try to get up here. Okay, let me go up, get the no trespassing sign and some wire, and then we'll start working on from that post there going to that tree there. Probably going to put another post right here at like this height, fence height, and go that way. I think that's what I'll do, because I don't want to tie into this post. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm sure I did. If we do have a structure brought in, this post is going to have to be pulled out, and fencing will have to be removed in order to get the trailer up because of its width. So, well, my friends, it is complete. I like it. Just took down trees. They're in the ground about 18 inches here, nailed together. So if something hits it, it's gonna tear it up. Also, that drops way down, and there's a lot of stumps and briars and stobs in there that would devastate car tire. But these two trees, or these clusters of trees, that was in the middle of the driveway before it got cut out, and I brought them over here to kind of fill in this area, not knowing that this is the final plan, which those are fine. Those can grow up and fill in this area quite nicely. So I am happy with that. It certainly was a little more time consuming than what I expected, but it's done. Mark it off the list. I'm pleased with that.